Betty Bayo uria ni muini wa nyimbo cia kugoca Mwathani na akorirwo agiuka thini wa limelight miaka-ini ya 2010 to 2013 thutha wa kuruta rwimbo ruikaine na njira nene muno rwa 11th hour. Oroho ni oikaine na nyimbo ingi nyingi muno cia kugoca Mwathani ta rwimbo ta cia bonga, bise bise, no kurituka thayo, jemedari na ingi nyingi muno. Na ndiwe ni ruriku rugukenagia muno rwa Betty Bayo kana ni ruriku rwatumire ukorwo ukimenya Betty Bayo, no twandikire hau thini wa comment section. Na Betty Bayo kwa marito make tigo gwa kinanagio ta Betty Bayo ni Beatrice Wairimu Mbugua, na otoria ngugite amenyekanire ni rwimbo rwake rwa mbere ruria akorirwo akiruta rwa 11th hour. Korwo ni rwimbo rwa kwamukirwo na njira nene muno thini wa makanitha, thini wa community na maundu mangi maingi muno. Na Betty Bayo ni mami wa ciana igiri iria ciuikaine guku thini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ta Sky Victor na sister yake. Na undu ungi ni ati Betty Bayo ni arari muhuri wa biashara. Sometime back ni akoretwo akiendia migunda, I'm not so sure kana bado no arendagia, na kambuni yake yoikaine ta double double something. And nduria wa kumakania ni ati ndeto iria ciakorwo cikirekererio thini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ni ndeto cia kumakania muno. Actually riria ndakorwo ngigwa ndeto ici ni ndamaka muno tondu gutiri handu turaiguite ndwari ya Betty Bayo kana kurwara gwake. Kuringana na arata ake ni marakiuga Betty Bayo ni arakoretwo akirigitwo na murimu wa cancer ya thakame, leukemia, na ni urakoretwo uthiangite kundu nginya arakoretwo agikoma ICU ya KU referral. And I want to congratulate the friends a Betty Bayo ni kumuhithirira na njira nene muno, tondu gutiri handu harari na any kind of rumor ati Betty Bayo ni murwaru. No ndocio niguo wakorwo wi guthainene muno kuri ithui ma fans ake, kuona ati gutiri handu turaiguite uhoro wigie ndwari ya Betty Bayo. Na koguo ni akoretwo agitiga ciana ciake iria cikoragwo thini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. But rumors has it we kangi ageire na muthuri wake uria uikaine ta Tash, uria makoretwo magikarania nake na uria ukoretwo makirera hamwe ciana ici Betty Bayo agite na muthuri wake wa mbere. Na Betty Bayo ni atiga legacy nene muno thini wa gospel music industry, na koguo tukamwendithiria family yake na ciana ciake oro arata ake. Ngai akorwe hamwe nao na my sincere condolences to them. Na andu aingi ni meyumiritie thutha wa ndeto ino gukorwo igitamba thini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, na umwe wao ari Bishop Ben wa JCM Church uria uthiite haria thini wa social media platform yake ya Facebook na gagikorwo akiandika Beatrice Wairimu Mbugua, famously known as Betty Bayo, came to limelight after releasing her hit song dubbed 11th hour, a song that was received well due to its encouraging script. Living a life of praising God and business, the mother of two has been a jovial artist until lately when she was diagnosed with blood cancer, that is leukemia, at an advanced stage. She leaves behind a legacy of a great contribution in the growth of gospel music industry, friendship, and a soul that maximized its full potential. She has rested having served. My condolences to mom, husband, siblings, friends, music industry, and to your beautiful children. Rest in peace, Betty Bayo. Cancer will also die one day. Oroho Shiro wa GP ndakoretwo akiaria no ni akorwo agikira emoji cia kurira, na koguo agagikorwo akimanisha ndeto icio ni cirikite gukorwo cikimukinyira. Karango wa Muraya agakorwo akiuga cancer umetukosea sana. Na oroho ni ndirona kwina press briefing kuria gwa Prophet Kanyari nigukorwo ngimikirira video yo makiaririria uhoro uyu wigi Betty Bayo. Tugicuthiriria kuria kwa Sir James ni akorwo nake akiandika uhoro wigi kuhuruka kwa Betty Bayo na akorwo akiuga ti uhoro. Huruka thayo murata wakwa Betty Bayo, we tried our best, cancer one day utakufa pia. Na gicuthiriria haria thini wa comment section he comment yakorwo ikini attract mundu akorwo akiuga Betty Bayo marari thini wa ICU imwe na anko yake, na koguo ni aronaga aini magiuka gucerera Betty Bayo. Aretwo Njuguna Mercy arauga poleni sana Sir James Kenyan, was in the same ICU ward with my uncle na vile mulijitolea kuvisit Betty with the other artist. May her soul rest in peace. Na adu ni makoreto mage comment na magakiaria maundu maingi makumiriria na comfort family ya Betty Bayo. And the saddest thing, girora thini wa page ya Betty Bayo, just a day ago ni arakoretwo agipost, I can do all things through Jesus Christ who strengthens me. And 2 days ago bado agipost bisha yake na akiuga say something about my look today, and I just want to sample tuone the kind of people we have in our country uria makorwo makimwira. Tukona mundu ta Flora Job akiuga you look delicious. Tukona mundu ta Irene Mwaura akimwira gorgeous, love emojis, 11th hour. Na there are so many positive comments haria ha Betty Bayo, na tugakiona ni mundu urari mwende muno ni andu. Na 2 days ago still ni arapostite mena muthuri wake Tash, na agikorwo akiandika akiuga niko na bazu hapa kama imeweza gonga like. 2 days ago bado agakorwo agikira bisha yake na arakorwo akiuga andu agai mwokira atia, good morning. If you believe that he is a God of many chances, type an amen. May you be blessed. Again, 2 days agikorwo nyigi agipost bisha yake mena mwini itaramenya wega, na arakorwo akiuga tiga Ngai urari wa mwena witu thu citu ni cingira tuhotire. If not for God it could have been worse. May God protect you this night. Good night. Na oroho Pastor Kanyari ni athite na mbere nake agakorwo akiaria ciegie Betty Bayo, na ni atumite ndumiriri yake ya gucaka ya Betty Bayo na njira nene muno, na ni akoretwo akiandika na kuga it hurts in ways I can't explain. You left before I could say everything I needed to. I still see you in every laugh our children gives, in every little habit that reminds me of you. We had our moments, both the fire and the calm, but through it all, you are family. I'll carry your memory, your love, and your spirit forever. Rest easy, you'll always be missed. Na ugo niguo Prophet Kanyari akorwo agicakaya uria ni mami wa ciana ciake igiri aricio Sky Victor na kana kauga kahikari tararirikana rita riako. Tukiendelea gucakaya Betty Bayo, ni ngwenda gukorwo ngituma ndumiriri yakwa ya condolences kuri family ya Betty Bayo, kuri ciana ciake, mami wao, muthuri wake. Ngai akorwo wa kumomiriria hamwe na arata ao na kumahe hinya ihinda riri iritu muno, na atuike wa kumatumira araika niguo mahote gukorwo makihurukia Betty Bayo na gitio kiria kimwagirire. Asanteni sana. May she rest well. Tugaga ithuothe ino niyo njira iria twerekeire, na koguo Betty Bayo arohuruka uhuru. Asanteni.